came here at 11 p.m. Can you believe it? I've been in the parking for 5 hours. I swear there's no artist that can wait for 5 hours, but I did it. If I don't sing now, they will say I didn't come. I can't sit together and so Nimbe? Am I allowed to perform? Okay. Together, so when I know the sour tamo, I swear on my motherfucking life.
El Motors, the best car importer, Masaka Zino Awards 2024.
Give it up for Little Motors!
Yes, sir!
Yeah.
Little Motors, that is DJ Jasmine for you. The best hotel. Yes, sir. And of course, yeah, man. This goes to the best hotel. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to call Solo Heights to come and pick the award from Lydia Jasmine. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to call the best motel 2023-2024. Penta Classic to come and pick the award.
Penta Classic Motel!
Yes, sir.
Oh no, you don't know.
Penta, you come.
Penta Classic.
Yes, sir.
Best motel for we are in Masaka City. We got you.
Yeah. That was Lydia Jasmine, but that is the love that she has for people in Masaka.
Yeah.
You understand? She came here at 11 o'clock. She had to be in the car till 3 o'clock, ladies and gentlemen. Not any artist in Uganda who can wait for that long. Okay?
Yeah.
So it is Lydia Jasmine for us. And of course, LJ, we love you so. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Penta Cars. Yes, sir.
Penta Classic Motel for the base hotel.
Brother Bridals. Come pick your heart from Lydia Jasmine and Hayat Sarah.
Brother Bridals and
Brother.
yes for you.
Yes, sir. These guys, Basima Ganye, Bridal, Brenda, and Sarah. Basima Ganye. Now, Oma Punye, and Sarah Lua.
Yeah.
Sarah Lua.
Where is Sarah Bridals?
Tuna mkamera wali.
Sarah Bridals.
Siza before. LJ akikwasa.
Yeah.
Ko yakanya mukulu. Katirenda badikusembe. Tuna wali wakwechwana.
Sakara Boys, where we are.
Yes, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, that is Sakara Boys. Thank you so much. Later. Yes, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, the best cake center. Let us take a hand for you. Take a hand for you. Come and get a picture of her, Jasmine. There she is. There she is. That is the love that Jasmine has for you people in Masaka. You understand?
The best dancing crew.
Yes, sir. The best dancing crew. Masaka Katoki.
The best dance crew.
Yes, sir. These are the kids, okay? Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. That is the last Jasmine Yes, sir. So get a photo. Are you done? Cameraman? You done? I need this photo. Thank you so much, LJ. Thank you so much for the work done. We love you so much.
let me love you. I love you, I love you, I love you. I want you tonight. Every day. Forever and ever. I love you so much. We came and it's your blessing. I tell you, for us, you're our blessing. Mama, what about you? If I say good night, what you say? Hey, hey. I don't know what you say. What's his old channel? Zena Kozet. Gandota. Aslan Yeshiri. Owani. Omutima gusuleyo. There was a woman of your love. Na yebwebeli tofako. Nege kugamba. Ogarata. Ogamba. Choka baby ma nisinda. Ochimanye kwa basira. Word for word. Somebody will hug. Someone over there is singing every letter of my music. But I swear you guys are amazing. You're amazing. You're amazing. Work a hug. I know you can say you love me so much and I love you so much. Nyagala nyo bafani bange lamba weshitiba. Chobala wanatusa sawa tano. Tugende maso. Maso. Alana ni Moise. Wati. Nyayimba fena. Isemi kodoja. Yachi. Monsoni pamunde mbula. Mubakashe naliyikira. Mchongero mewadaziwa. Wasoma mkwano wazikira. Abantu bange. We are good music. Kwagala biri yasoshi. Wakole uli na Krismasi. Twende tuli Manchester. Manchester. Wewe ni Manchester. It's on me. It's on me. Baby, it's on you. I ain't pick up. For as long as we march, how to keep us apart. They want to run us in mad. Look what no one will want to pull us in. Love me the way I love me. Can you love me? I want you to love me the way I love me. Can you love me the way I love Christmas. Mbagala nnyo. Nnyo 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 nnyo. Alaba abawe kye musinga okwagala.